welcome back to my channel. Spider-Man Across the Spiderverse is in theaters and I am so excited to go see it. I absolutely love the first one. It is one of my favorite animated films of all time. From the art design, the casting choices, the soundtrack, and in my opinion, one of the best Stanley cameos in a Marvel film. So to celebrate the release, in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this comic book themed cake. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on chef's coats and let's get baking.
For this cake design, I baked 3 8-inch square layers of my chocolate cake. I leveled, trimmed, stacked, and filled each layer with vanilla buttercream, dirty ice, then placed it in the fridge to chill. Since I love the art, animation styles, and comic book inspiration from the first film, I wanted to incorporate that in this cake design. I collected the illustrated pop art and screenshots of famous scenes from the first movie and the second movie's trailers, then brought them all into InDesign to create a comic strip for my edible image. I added a final coat of white buttercream onto the sides and teal buttercream to the top of the cake, making sure everything is smooth and the edges are sharp. I used a ruler and X-Acto knife to trim off the excess paper around the images. Then I carefully applied them to each side of the cake. Make sure your hands are dry and clean. Too much moisture can cause the ink to bleed, thus ruining the print. For some extra detail, I rolled thin strips of black fondant and placed them to the edges of the cake to give it that comic cartoon cake look. Finally, I topped the cake with the image of Miles Morales from the final battle scene in the first film. And that's how I decorated this comic book inspired cake for Spider-Man Across the Spiderverse.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun at this channel. I had a great time not only decorating the cake, but also designing the comic book strip for the edible image. The best part about this cake design is that you can totally switch it up for your favorite superhero. If you recreate this cake or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well, enjoy your comic book cake, and have fun watching Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. Bye!